Over there. So I stopped recording. Okay. It's loud out here, bro. Oh my god. So there's some over there. I can record it again. I don't know if they stopped. I feel like they stopped. Oh, right there. Oh, wait, yeah, I saw one. It's right behind that light. Right there. Mitch, move. Right there, you saw? Oh, right there. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's so cool. There's a lot, I hear a lot over here somewhere. I gotta move, I'm running. Dude, there's so many trees I can't see any of them. Why did not go over here though, actually? Wait, that's so sick. It's so dark. But that's when the fireworks happen though.
Is that a camera on the side of that building?
What? Where's the camera? No, is that a camera? I'm gonna zoom in for you. I can't zoom in all the way. Hold on. Oh, that was a big one right there. I missed it. Dang it. Oh! Dude, that's a light. That big, sparkly, that's not sparkly. I think that is a camera. Right there, that's a camera. You can't see it. Dude, right there on the building, if you guys can see it. Oh my god, I am missing it. Oh, there's two. But is there any behind us? My hand's hurting, holding this. Dude, I hear so many behind us. Like, they're loud. Oh my god, that was loud. Dude, stop farting, actually. Why did you fart? There's probably farting in the recording now. Are you serious? Oh my god, are you serious right now? Please don't do it again. If I go in the house, and I go to the living room, in the window, I can actually see some. I'm gonna do that. All right, I'm not going in. Well, cause I don't know. I gotta keep recording still. I'm out here a little bit. Dude, they're so loud, but I can't record any except over there. Let's go. I'm running, bro. I'm running. I don't see any. But they're loud over here somewhere. And there's a trillion trees, and then there's a wall. I'm going right to the wall. Yep, this is the wall. I'm at the wall. There's something on my foot. I'm out of here. There's something on my foot. Dang, I have 20% battery left.
Better run this circle 5 times.
Why do I have to do that? While I'm recording?
Yeah.
Serious?
Get the energy out of it.
How about it? Oh, I can't find any fireworks. I'm going in the hole. I just went in the hole. You guys can't see it, but there's a hole right here. Oh my god, it's too dark out. You can't see anything. So if you do this a little bit, all the lights and stuff. Oh, I saw light coming from. You can't see anything on here. Look. I mean, except you go like this. All right. Bro, can we go in? You see? Alright. Guys, I saw one through the tree over here. Ow, my foot's hurting. Oh god, I am in the mud. Oh my god. Oh my god. See if I can see any. Alright guys, we're inside. Oh my god, that was... Dude, these lights. Dude, that's actually a light. That big. What? Oh my god, there's someone I don't want to record. Mama. I can't find any more fireworks. I used to find fireworks over here. I think I saw some. I'm getting wet. Some raindrop right here. Wet right here. Right here. And I got wet because I'm doing this. Looking out there. Okay. Oh. Oh, why did it turn darker? Okay. Okay. We're fine. If I can find any. Dude, there's actually none. Oh, I'm gonna stop recording. No, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna, you know, okay. Dude, they start at 9 o'clock. It's literally 9:59 exactly. Oh, okay. I hear some. They are loud. I'm telling you, I hear them a lot. Y'all hear that? I'm gonna put the speaker to there or something. Dude, where are these fireworks?
It might be like ground show or something.
I'm gonna try to zoom in on it. Oh my god! Dude, these trees are in the way. I'm not kidding. These trees are on my nerves. At least I recorded some of the fireworks, you know? Oh, wait. I'm not kidding. I saw one somewhere over here. I'm not kidding. I saw a red one. Okay, we're gonna keep this way. Oh my god. Oh, I got one. That was so big. That was so big. Oh my god. Yes, I got it recording. I got it on recording. No way. I got like a glance of it, bro. That was like the biggest one I've ever seen, not gonna lie though. Dang. I see people on motorcycles. Look. Alright. Dude, I hear somebody over here. Dude. It's so dark. Oh my god, it's so... Dude, it just like flashed the whole damn sky from one of those things, bro. It was so freaking loud. I mean, yeah, okay. I don't think we'll find any more fireworks. Y'all hear that? Yo, I can hear that. Yo. Oh, I see it. Zoom in. Yo.
That was live.
Open this window. All the way. It is all the way. Oh my god. Oh, I got one.
Oh, I see it over there.
Oh my god. What's happening? I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. I'm gonna close the window. I'm scared. Close the window. I see smoke. Close the window. I see smoke.
It's alright.
I can't close the window. There's smoke. Dude, y'all see that? Actually, y'all see that? I can't. I can't. That's smoke right there, I think. Oh my god. This is actually crazy. No, this is actually crazy. Guys, if you have made it this far, like and subscribe. Bro, if you have made it this far, actually like and subscribe. Please. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was sick. Actually, that was sick. We're getting a lot of fireworks now. It's over 10 o'clock. And 10 o'clock's when they start a little bit because it's really dark out, you know? Why do we not go in here sooner, dude? saw one. But it's a small one. It didn't even make any noise, I don't think. Yo, it's actually getting louder here. What the heck was that? Yo, actually. What was that? That was sound like, what the heck? Dude, it is actually crazy. Yo, what was that? What was that? That was crazy, though. Water break. I was gonna keep the iPad. I mean, yeah, okay. Just gonna keep it like that. Water break. Oh, that's cold. Oh my god, I'm still drinking. I gotta close this water bottle. Oh my god. Okay, we're back. Okay. Ugh. Dude, this is a 12-minute video. It's actually kind of good, though. There's gotta be like an hour video of fireworks just going off. Oh my god! Another one? People are across the river just doing this. Okay, we're just gonna keep it. Can we just keep it right here? I don't want to hold it. I'm tired of holding it. See if we can get any good ones. I saw one. There's not really no more fireworks. I might stop the video. Oh, I saw some, but like it's really far, and you know it's small. You can barely see them. So I probably wouldn't actually see those two though. But yeah, but they're all over there, and the freaking lights in the way. It's blinding on the dang on when you're recording, and that's that right there. That big dang. Okay, yeah. I said that like 20 times a day. I hear some over there. That's my water bottle. I want to see those big ones over here. I'm gonna wait until we get the big ones. Big. I heard something. I heard a lot. Yeah. It's 4 or 5. I'm going to a different window. Never mind. I'm not going to another window. There's too many trees. There's too many trees. Oh my god, there's too many trees. I'm so happy I made it right now. 2 videos. Oh my god, it's crazy. 14 minutes crazy. Oh my god. It might be the finale. It might be the finale. Oh. Dog, this is crazy, dude. It's 4th of July, la. It's 4th of July. I'm gonna actually do it. It's 4th of July. Is it 4th of July, right? It's 4th of July. Oh my god, dear. Oh my god. I'm literally holding this for Fortnite. Abby, you can do everything with one hand, dog. I feel like, no, that's probably cap. Probably you can't play with, no, yes you can play with one hand. I do play with one hand sometimes. And I'm like, what? Yo, they're still doing fireworks. They're still doing fireworks. They're still doing fireworks. Yo, what is this, bro? Oh my God. Okay. I'm putting that back. Oh my God. I'm thirsty and I want to drink and I can't because I want to record all these fireworks. Bro. Oh, 16 minutes break way too, I guess. Dude, all of this is crazy, y'all. What am I doing? I might make a second one. No, I'm actually might not.